Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to access DramaBox for free. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Accessing DramaBox for free may depend on what content you are looking to watch and the platforms offering at the time. So here are some methods. First is to check for free content on DramaBox. Head over and open up your DramaBox app and then explore the free sections within the app or website which might offer select titles or older episodes at no cost. Second is to look for free trials. DramaBox may offer a free trial for new users. Sign up for the free trial if it's available and you'll get the access to premium content for a limited time. Make sure to cancel before the trial ends to avoid charges if you don't want to continue the subscription. Third is to use ads for free access. Some streaming services include DramaBox may allow you to watch ads for free. Look for a free version with the ads that will let you to access content without paying. If you are okay with some interruptions, this can be a good option to enjoy for free. So these are a couple of options that you can try. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.